We're going to do the crispy teriyaki chicken wings with our buttermilk chicken wings. Yep. So I've put them in the oven already, but I'm going to drop them into the fryer just to give them.
So this is fully coated, fully cooked, frozen.
Frozen buttermilk chicken wings. So yeah, I've cooked them in the oven. I am just going to finish them off in the fryer just to make sure that the skins and the batters, the coating, sorry, is super crispy. And we're going to do it with the new Lee Kum Kee teriyaki sauce, really sweet savoury flavour, and I'm going to use it as a glaze on top of these and then make these sort of like a loaded chicken wing, served with a kimchi style.
So you're going to do this as a starter?
Yeah, as a starter, yeah. Could be a sharer, but yeah, I'm going to just do it as an individual.
And in terms of the sauce that you use in there, that's marinade, can be used as a glaze, can be used as stir fries.
That's it, yeah.
As a dip. And I guess probably you can use it as a standalone sauce, which is what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm using it as a really as a glaze. Okay. So I'm going to heat it up, make it a little bit more sticky than it already is, and then glaze those wings in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So let's get cracking with it. Teriyaki sauce in there. Just going to bring that up to a little simmer, and then we'll throw the chicken wings in. Look at them, beautiful. Just drain them off, and then once that's simmering up, nice and hot, going extra sticky, we'll just throw them in just to help coat them. This is the kimchi style pickle. It's got carrot, cabbage, pepper, chilli in a kimchi style dressing. Dribble a bit of that over the top just to sit the wings on. So I'm going to do it with some chives, some crispy onions, some black and white sesame seeds, and some pork scratchings, which I'm going to smash up and sprinkle over the top. Lob these over the top. Crispy onions.
That's probably one of your favourite ingredients, isn't it? Crispy onions.
Yeah, crispy onions, definitely. It just brings all that texture and bit of visual difference. Just adding those bits.
I hate to use the word street food, but it does smack of street food, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I'm going to bang an extra on here because we've got quite a few people in the office today, probably going to want one. So, and then just to finish it with some nice micro coriander, just to.
And I guess that could be a sharing starter, couldn't it?
Yeah, definitely on a different format of plate.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Or even at lunchtime.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's really nice, yeah. And definitely got that Asian American fusion twist, for want of a better word.